Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today, we continue our lessons on the properties of binary operation, and we are going to learn about the distributive property. So to distribute basically means to spread. So the distributive property under a binary operation means that one operation distributes or spreads over another operation. In algebra, it typically applies to operations like addition and multiplication, and it is essential in simplifying expressions. So, in the distributive property, you are spreading one operation over the other. That's all about the distributive property. So let's say you've been tasked to clean three rooms. You are supposed to dust the rooms and then mop the rooms. Somebody will say that uh, he or she is going to go to one room, do the dusting and do the mopping, go to the next room, do the dusting and do the mopping, and go to the last room, do the dusting and do the mopping. Somebody too will say that I'll take all the three rooms, I'll do all the dusting. When I finish the dusting for all the three rooms, then now I'll come to the mopping for all the three rooms. Now you realize that the person that is going to do the dusting for all the three rooms before coming to do the mopping for all the three rooms is going to save time, and the work is going to be easier for the person than the one that will do each of the tasks at the same time, like in a room. Yeah, so basically that is how the distributive property is. So let's say if you are told to solve something, like if you have 3 times, let's say 2 plus 1. Yeah, so here you can get 3 times 2 plus 3 times 1. So now 3 times 2, here we can say that we get 3 times 3, which is 9. Yeah, but if we spread the multiplication over the addition here, it's making things easier for us because 3 times 2 is easier to get than 3 times 3. Yeah. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3 times 1 is 3. And if you add them, you get 9. You are getting the same answer. But then from this expression, we say that the multiplication spreads or distributes over addition. So multiplication is distributive over addition. Now let's check if addition is also distributive over multiplication. So let's take it that we have 3 plus 2 times 1. Now if we are to spread addition over multiplication, we are going to get 3 plus 2 times 3, 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 1. Yeah. So here our answer is supposed to be 3 plus 3, which is 6. But here you realize that your answer is 3 plus 2 is 5 times 3 plus 1 is 4, which is what? 20. So just imagine 6 and 20. See the gap. So you realize that addition is not distributive over multiplication, but then multiplication is distributive over addition. Yeah, so that's how it is. So let's take two operations. So you can be given two operations to work with. So let's say if you are told to work with you are going to work with star and dot. So if we have, let's say, A star B dot C, if you are distributing star over dot, here we are going to get A star B dot B dot A star C, sorry. So dot A star C. So we are spreading star over the dot. Then the expression can also be written as B dot C or the star A. So it's the same thing. So we are spreading star over dot. So here we are going to get B star A dot A or C star A, which is the same thing here. But then for the first one, we say that the operation star is left distributed over dot, or is left distributive over dot, the operation dot. And here we say that the operation star here is right distributive over dot. The operation star here is right distributive over dot. So the first one, the operation star is left distributive over the dot. Then here the operation star is right distributive over the dot. And if you do any other two, you are going to get the same answer. So let's try to solve questions on them and see how it goes. So for example, if you are told to solve, they've given us a rule for star, a star b to be equal to 1 over 2 ab. If a is 4, b is 6, and c is 8, find a star b plus c. Then they've spread the star over the addition. So now let's try to do all of them one by one and see. So for the first one, our b is 6. So now for the first one, we are going to work with a is 4. So you are going to work with 4 star. Now our b is 6 and our c is 8. So 4 star 6, 4 star 6 plus 8. Yeah. Now we know 6 plus 8, right? 6 plus 8 is 14. And our rule was given to us as a star b to be equal to 1 over 2 ab. So here we are going to get 1 over 2. Our a is 4, our b is 14, which is equal to 1 over 2. 4 times 14 is 56. So 56. And half of 56 is 28. 56 divided by 2 is 28. Now let's see for the b. So for the b, we are going to work with 4 star 6 plus 4 star 8. So which is the same as a star b plus a star c. But then our rule is 1 over 2 ab. So for the a star b, we are going to get 1 over 2 times 4 times 6, which is equal to half of 4 times 6 is 24. So we are going to get 12. Then here we are going to get 1 over 2 times 4 times 8, which is 1 over 2 times 4, 8, 32. And half of 32, or 32 over 2, is 16. Now if we add the 12 plus 16, you realize that we are getting the same answer as 28. So now after doing this, after doing the first one, which is a star b plus c, we had 28. And after we distributed the star over the addition, working a star b plus a star c, we are still getting 28. So here we can prove that we can say that the operation is distributive. We can also we could have used the the letters. So our rule was a star b is equal to 1 over 2 ab. So here we can say that we're given a star b plus c. So now the whole of b plus c becomes our b. So here it means we are going to get 1 over 2 times a times b plus c, which is equal to 1 over 2 ab plus 1 over 2 ac. If we distributed star over addition, our operation now becomes a star b plus A star C. So using the rule, here we are going to get 1 over 2AB. Then here we are going to get 1 over 2A. Now our B here is C, so AC. So it's the same thing here. This and this are the same. Yes, so here we can say that it is distributive, since after we distributed the star over the addition, we are getting the same result. Then we say that it is distributive. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.